So this is the US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Wednesday, 13th of December. Now let's have a look what happened with prices and where they might likely go. So prior to our move, prior to where we are at present, we did see a move to the upside from horizontal levels as well as dynamic levels acting as an area of confluence. We did see some buy side momentum come into the market. So the buy side momentum has taken up to a strong level as it is marked out in red in around this 113.56. As we can see here, prices are oscillating around at 113.56. Now, we do have a fundamental news event on Wednesday in regards to the US dollar that possibly explains this tight range we can see on the US dollar against Japanese yen. Not much direction. So, depending on if the news is favorable or not, we have to look for what is that? Yeah, so we have to look for the levels that we could that may potentially act as support or resistance. Well, levels that would possibly act as support or resistance or possible targets. Now, so in around 113.56. So in light of the most recent trend being to the upside, we've had this consolidation. Let's go through the scenarios. If we potentially see more bullish buy side momentum coming to markets, if say the news event is deemed as yes, if the news event is favorable towards the US dollar, again we're looking to see our price react at 114.30. A move beyond which we're looking to see our price react at 114.74, and beyond that we're looking to see our price react as 115.37. Now those are levels that we are looking at to the upside. If however we do get a counter trend move and we do see a breakdown from this 113.56, again we're just looking to see our price react around this 130. Or also we have to have a look at the 200 period moving average as well, marked out here in blue, slightly above this one, and a break from which is 112.77. We'll be looking to see our price direct to 112.52. If we do break down from this 112.52, again we'll be looking to see our prices see how prices react to this 400 period moving average, below which we're looking for the 12.15. That's a weekly pivot that we are looking at as well. If we do see the breakdown from this 113.56, and if we do have sufficiently volatile markets, 1160 should come into focus, but 1160 I would expect to the far end of the range on the 13th of December. Now, with that said, let's just have a look at the daily time frame. As we've had a look at the horizontal levels, as well as the dynamic levels now. So on this daily chart in US dollar Japanese yen, as you can see, 114.30 has been a very strong level. We have seen sell-offs from this 114.30, quite a few sell-offs actually from this 114.30. So we'll see what happens when prices do get up to 114.30, if we can break towards the targets previously mentioned. Again, in light of the most recent trend is to the upside. So a pullback and slight reversals are to be expected. Well, pullbacks are to be expected before we get continuation and another test of that 114.30. Now, in regards to, well, I think that should cover everything actually. And we've mentioned all the levels. We've mentioned a very strong level here at 114.30, where we have seen quite a few. But we have seen let's put it another way. We've seen 114.30 hold on 3 occasions now. If we do get up to 114.30, we possibly might see a break. So we've mentioned the upside targets. Now, in light of the most recent trend is to the upside. So we are potentially going to see a break of this 113.56 to the upside, unless there's a dramatic news catalyst that nobody was expecting. In which case the market can be somewhat erratic and may move counter to the primary trend. So on this occasion, we are looking for price to head towards that 114.30 while remaining cautious in regards to the move towards 114.30, as we do have a strong fundamental catalyst coming out here on Wednesday. Yes, that's what I meant to say. It took me a while, but yeah. So that should wrap up the everything in regards to the US dollar Japanese yen. Thanks for watching.